Hi friends, today I'm going to share you with how to use Gann fan. Most of the people don't know how to use this Gann fan, and there are so many methods there, and I'm going to share you with one method. So the first method is first you select the Gann fan from the indicators list. Here you can see Gann fan. You just select it and connect the previous day opening candle low to closing candle low. Okay, I'm just going to connect previous day. This is 40s, so I'm just going to connect previous day opening candle low to and connect it to the closing candle low. Okay, and next day you can see once market is open, it is highly bullish, and once it's break the first level, that's the resistance level, it goes up, and after that a red candle is formed, and you see once it's break that level, it comes down and touch to next Gann level, and again it's breaking and it comes down, and again it goes up, and there is a resistance. You can see it didn't break that resistance, it didn't break it, and then it comes down. So is Gann fan mainly used for finding out the resistance and support level as per Gann method. So this is just used for reference only. So if you draw previous day candle, opening candle low to closing candle low, you will get at these levels. So once market touch this level, just watch it for 10 minutes. So once it's break it this level, just wait for next two candle or one next candle. If next candle also green, then go for buy side, or next candle is red, then wait for the breakout like this. Okay, and I'm going to check another stock also, Voltas. Same thing we are doing. Previous day opening candle, connecting previous day opening candle low to closing candle low. So okay, one sign is opening candle low to closing candle low. So here also you can see once it's open time, market is highly bullish, and once it starts that resistance level, the next candle is a red. After that it comes down, and once it's break that level, its market comes down and touch that next level, next Gann level. Again it's tried to sustain that level but failed, and again it comes down. So like that way you can find any stock support and resistance level, and this is mainly used for reference only, and based on the market condition you can take trade also. If you use any strategy or any indicator, use this Gann fan also, that because it helps to find out where is the next support level and where is next resistance level. Hope you like this indicator. I will be back with another indicator. This is a one method for Gann fan. There are so many other methods there. I will make videos other method with the Gann fan. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.